So it sweeps in front and then it's followed by the two mops. There at the back, there are mops. For demo purposes, we have here dusts, cat fur and dog fur, pellets of cat food, grains of rice. And let's see how the robot vacuum operates at its normal mode, neutral mode, because you can change the intensity. There's maximum intensity and just regular. So let's try the regular mode, neutral. So right now we just told the robot to go to the living room. So here he's coming. See if we can detect that. Oh, Jesus, sorry. Okay, he's coming back for it. So it sweeps in front and then it's followed by the two mops. There at the back, there are mops. So that's the regular mode. Wait, is it possible for it to change? Okay, I'll let my husband change the mode to like, is it maximum now, babe? Just a little bit higher. Can you try the maximum? It will keep coming back and forth until it's clean. But if you think you want it to operate at a maximum force, intensity, like if you have stubborn dirt on your floor, then you can. So let's see how that one goes. We stopped it from operating and then change its setting. So it's coming back here in the living room. So you can see the difference also of the sound. Since it's on more power, so a bit noisier. But it's just like an electric fan though, not that noisy. So that's the finish. There's this one that's left, but all the fur, cat fur, dog fur, it's gone. All the pellets, the rice grain, all, it's gone. There's one that he missed, this one. But overall, it's already a little helper. Unboxing!
Our future yaya!
Para sa asawa nga takulan manilhig. Kay
Hey.
di nag-atubang sa laptop sige trabaho.
Vacuum plus mopping! Wow! Oh, it's magnetic! Perfect!
What is this, babe?
The dock to charge. It goes on its own to charge again. That's the dust tank. It's very easy to. Oh my god, I'm so gonna love it. Look at the water tank, it's so small.
So this is like a charging station for this one.
Yeah. And it goes on its own. I don't have to tell
So it goes back to it if it's running. It's almost running out of battery.
Yeah.
The diameter of this one, 14 inches. 14 inches. So you need to install the app.
Oh, perfect. Tak.
Charging.
Okay. You ready?
Yep.
Start to vacuum and mop.
Obstacle.
Oh my god! Silent.
Oh yeah, it's silent. So what is this direction? You still have to teach it for the. You still have to.
For now, he's doing it by the laser, but later he will have a map. He will do his map. See, look, I see it here in live. He's doing his own map. So for now, he thinks that's the furniture, but
yeah.
later I will remove it, so he will learn on itself.
We'll clean
So he
the-
knows that the wall is like this, and his
Yeah.
dock is there. So if I'm telling him go to dock,
He will go back.
then he will go.
Did you just tell him to go back?
Yeah, I'm telling him now.
Let's
to go
see.
back.
Let's test. Yung Bolivia. Parking.
That's so nice.
Technology.
Grabe!
I have a wall E in the house. It's not all E, it's Eva.
The vacuuming and mopping task has been completed. Please remove and clean the mop pads in time. Charging.
Okay, Google. Turn on the vacuum cleaner.
Alright, starting Xiaomi Robot Vacuum S10 Plus.
Tell the vacuum cleaner to go back to the dock.
Okay, docking Xiaomi Robot Vacuum S10 Plus.
Okay.
So cute. It's like I'm a pet. That's finally listening to us.
Maybe it fits under the furniture then.
Eva, where are you? Where are you, my pet? I'm here. I'm working, Mom. Ooh. Your house is so dusty, Mom.
Capture again.
Tipanim. Sino kayo tipanim mo?
You capture again, Pum Pum.
You open the kuan, babe, so the tipanim can see how much dust this one sucked for the effectivity.
Oh my god, yes, there's a lot.
Sige, iyang na higop.